for a similar spacecraft, that is Marvin. Sir, as we work towards realizing this dream, as a nation, we would need to work on 4 areas. First, we need to focus on the ease of doing business, that is making rules, regulations, and decision-making simple, quick, and transparent. Second, the industry would need all the infrastructure, access to land, natural resources, power, railways, ports, connectivity, and so on. The third, we would need policies for specific sectors that have the highest potential for growth. And fourth, we will need to give our young people the right training so that they have skills for manufacturing. So I would like to assure you that all of us believe that it is not just the onus of the government, but we all have a role to play in this journey. On behalf of ICICI Group, I would like to say that for the past 60 years, we have been playing a role in the development of the nation, supporting manufacturing, supporting facilities from the largest infrastructure project to the smallest and medium-sized enterprises, and of course, even giving loans to that demographic dividend that consumes the products and services that are made in India. But recognizing the potential of the demographic dividend, I would also just like to mention that in the last 1 year, we have focused on skill training our youth. And we have, in less than 1 year, been able to train about 5,000 people who come from modest backgrounds, giving them basic skills to make them employable in the industrial units in India. And what I'm happy to say is that all these 5,000 people in less than 1 year have got fully employed, and more than 30% of them are actually young girls who come from semi-urban and rural areas. Sir, you have already laid out the priorities and the focus areas that I was talking about, and I would like to assure you that we will all work together with you in this journey. मैं आज आपको ये विश्वास दिलाना चाहूँगी कि आपके नेतृत्व में मेक इन इंडिया के स्वप्न को साकार करने के लिए हम सभी साथ मिलकर काम करेंगे और भारत को प्रगति के एक नए दौर पर ले जाएंगे। जय हिंद, थैंक यू।
The CEO of Lockheed Martin India Limited is here with us this morning. I'd now like to invite Mr. Phil Shaw to share his thoughts with us.